Okay, back at this one. Not only was the O-ring that they put in there pinched, where is it at? Let me focus. Focus. Looks beautiful, right? That did not leak yesterday. It didn't leak under vacuum, and it didn't leak under nitrogen pressure, and it did not leak under refrigerant pressure with hot gas. It leaked after cooling off, and once the pressure was falling and the lines were contracting, then it leaked. And it leaked all the refrigerant down to 0 psi. So it passed a vacuum test under 500 microns. It passed, I think it was 600 actually. It passed nitrogen pressure at 150 psi. It passed the running test. It passed the sniff test with electronic leak detector, and it passed with the UV dye. Then, setting overnight, it was running for about 20 minutes with me doing my paperwork and putting everything away. When they got up the next morning, there was refrigerant oil and there was 0 refrigerant. It was flat, AC didn't work, and I came out here, gauged up, it was still flat. This is one of those oh, and this is what else you could see. What looks different on this? There's something missing. Take a really close look. This is supposed to be a captive O-ring. You see that little sharp edge right there? That little sharp edge, and then you see it goes down where an O-ring would go, and then you see it steps up. Where you see it steps up, there's supposed to be an identical step up on the other side. It was broken off. Now look at this one underneath. Here's the bigger one. See that big step up? See the captive O-ring? That is how that's supposed to be in a smaller version. And that's why I'm back here again today. And it passed all leak tests. Under vacuum, under nitrogen pressure, under refrigerant, under running operation, under high pressure, high temperature. It passed, it passed, it passed. Turned off the vehicle, let it sit over the next night. Came back the next morning, completely flat. Those are one of those biatch leaks. So they're gonna have to order a new line, replace the new line, going all the way back to the expansion valve, and then I come back and charge it up again. And that was because it was missed the first time by the technician. And this is the one where I replaced the technician who put Teflon tape trying to seal it with no O-ring. All right, I shall return and make another video on this one. Let's see what happens.